Hey guys, AstroDev here, back with another video, and today I'm going to show you guys how you can make a shop inside of Friday Night Funkin'. Now this is for Codename Engine, for Psych Engine people. This is sort of the same, but you are going to have to know more source codey kind of stuff for those people on Psych Engine. Sorry about that, but yeah, if you're on Codename Engine, then this is the tutorial to look at if you want. So essentially, first things first, if you're going to be, basically I've already typed everything up because I was testing it out, and to be honest I cannot be bothered to retype out all the changes again, so I'm going to go over the stuff, explain what it does so you get a grasp of how to like add stuff into the shop and things like that. If you can't be bothered to do that, you can just download the script for the free play and the shop because it's a bundle down below in the description. And also, whilst you're down there, let me know what tutorial you'd like to see next. But yeah, so essentially, what I've done is I've modified the free play state to start off with. Essentially, what I did is I just added a little bit of text that says press this key to access the shop. And then what I decided to do is I decided to put the text of the song above the icons. And yeah, there is quite a big switch case when it comes to songs and shops. At the moment, I'm not sure how I can fix this because I'm not too good at doing save data stuff. I'm pretty sure you can put save data into an array. I'll have to figure that out at a later date. But anyway, at the current moment, all it does is, depending on what song you're on, it checks if you've unlocked it, so you've bought it from the shop. If you have, then it'll show the song name. If you haven't, then it'll show locked. And then obviously we've got, if you press S, it takes you to a new mod state called the shop, which is obviously our shop. And then we've also got the enter. So what that does is it checks if the text is equal to locked. If it is, then it just says you need to buy the song. If it isn't, then it loads the specifically selected song. That's all the stuff that I've added to Freeplay. Now we have the shop. So I've put in a random, and because there's always some sort of greeting in the shops, I've put down an array of some different strings for the greeting when you go to the shop and the index for it. We've got an array for all the different songs available for purchase. We've got the amount of money that the player has, the price of a song. That's not used actually. I don't think I used it in the end. The song text of said song, the cost and the cost text, and the greeting. So in create, I simply just make the greeting text, assign it to a random element from the greeting array and show it. I also go ahead and add in the money, the song, and the cost. And then inside of update, essentially the song text reflects what you currently have selected. We also have another switch index where, depending on which song you have selected, the price increases or decreases, because obviously you can customize the amount of money that songs cost. We have some text for the amount of money the player has and how much it's going to cost them. Then when you press escape, it takes you back to your custom free play. And then, yep, we've got this. And then when they press enter, it checks if the amount of money you have is greater than the cost of the song. If you have enough money, it takes it away from your total, sets the song specifically to be unlocked, and then saves the data, which that does that twice. Yeah, so now I'm going to show you guys how it runs in game. Okay, so we are here in the main menu. Okay, and then if we go down to free play, then we are, I forgot to load into the right one. Don't forget to do that. Yeah. Alright, so I was saying, when we load into free play, we get show tutorial, thorns, this is because I've already tested out all the stuff. Yeah, so if we hit S, it takes us to the shop. We have money, we've got one of the random text at the bottom. This, for example, if I go back, and I go to the shop again, text at the bottom is changed, and obviously we can move back and forth, change the price. So say I wanted to buy UGG, I hit enter, I've now got 50 coins left, and I've unlocked the UGG. I want thorns, hit that, I've unlocked that. That's been saved, so when I go back, I can access, let's access thorns.
3, 2, 1, go!
Anyway, and that also means I'll show you guys now what it looks like if you haven't bought any of the songs. Okay, as promised, here is the new version. I just need to quickly minimize my window. Yep. Okay, let me just shorten the window. That would help. Like that. Okay, close enough. So as you can see, when I move over, these two are locked. So if I want to play Thorns and I hit that, then we get a post notification up here saying the song needs to be bought. Try it for UGG. Song needs to be bought. So that means we've got to go back to the shop. We've got to buy Thorns. We've got to buy UGG. And then we go back. And yeah, both of them are unlocked. And then we can play Thorns.
3, 2, 1, go!
Anyway, yep. And that's it. I hope you guys did enjoy. And I'll see you all in the next tutorial video or whatever it may be. But with that said, I hope you do like and subscribe. And as I want to try and hit 1,000 subscribers by the end of this year. And only you guys can make that happen. So with that said, I'll see you all in the next video. AstroDev, out.